Hello everyone, good day and welcome to the Microsoft Word application course. In this final part of the creating and editing text, we will be looking at two topics: using find and replace command and using the go to command. Now the find and replace command, for example, the find you can use to find a number of words or text in your document, and replace does the same thing as find. The only difference is that you can replace that word that you have found with another word in several places or in one place in your document. And the go to command is when you want to move to a particular line of text or a page in your document. Now, to show you how all this works, I will pull up our practice document and we will start with using the find command. And now what you notice here is that under the home menu and under the editing group, you see the find command, you also see the replace command. I will be using more the replace because in that aspect you will find both find, replace and go to. You can also use the find if you want, by the way. So let's say we want to look for the word January in our document. I will go to home here and I will click replace. This appears, so you see there's also find, so I will go to find tab and in this box I will type January. It doesn't matter whether you start with a capital letter or not, the word is more important. And to find the first occurrence of January, I will click next, find next, and see there, if I move this down, oh, this is the first occurrence. And if I want to find the next occurrence, and it goes down, and if I search again, and it goes down, and I try to find again, and it tells me, oh, we finished searching the document. That's because it has found all occurrences of January, and that's how you use the find command in this case. So I will click OK and I will click cancel. Now to practice with the replace command, basically you do the same thing. You go to home, make sure you're there, and you go to under editing, click replace. This time you stay on replace tab, and this time let's say we are looking for the word January or maybe February in this case. That's what we're looking for. And what do you want to replace it with? Let's replace it with July. Okay, so if you click find next, it will find the first occurrence. So if you do this, oh, there's the first occurrence. I move this down, and if I want to replace this, I simply click replace. And if I want to replace every occurrence of February in this document, I simply click replace all. But let's do that one at a time for now. So I will click replace. Immediately it looks for the next February, and I'll click replace, and it looks for the next one, and I'll click replace. And the moment it finishes finding and replacing all the occurrences of February to July that you can see here, July, then you say OK, because it has finished searching the document. And that's basically how you use the replace command. So I will close this box, and the final thing we will do is practice with the go to command. So with go to, you can move from one line of text to another or from one page to another. We have actually created 2 pages, as you can see, and we are now in page 1 of 2. So to practice what go to looks like, let's go back again, make sure you're on home menu, under editing, replace, and this time you go to. Now you see the interface is different, and where do you want to move to? You want to move to a certain page or line. If I say let's go to page 2, so I stay on page and I will stay here and I will type 2 and I will say go to, and you see immediately it jumps to page 2 of page 2, right? And if I want to go back to 1, go to 1, goes back to 1. So if you have so many pages, this is a good way to move from one page to another easily. And let's see what line looks like. So if I stay on this line by clicking on it, then I select line. In this case, and I say let's put line number 5, and see what happens. So you see it goes to the 5th line, and normally this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this should be number 6, right? So let's try 6th line. I expect it to be here. There it is, and it goes there. Although it doesn't show, but that's basically where it is. And if you close, then you see it blinking. And this is basically how you use the go-to command, and also how you use the find and the replace command. I hope you enjoyed it and you understand what has been taught. Thank you for listening, and this marks the end of the creating and editing text in Microsoft Word application. Thank you and goodbye.